Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. You are watching CSE Guide official YouTube channel. Today we discuss about another university, CSE scholarship and Shanghai government scholarship. So type in Google CSE Guide official and click on the first link. After clicking on first link, here is the detail. You can see Shanghai government scholarship, ECUST East China University of Science and Technology, and CSE scholarship, China Scholarship Council, Chinese government scholarship, East China University of Science and Technology. So first we discuss ECUST CSE scholarship, and after that we discuss about Shanghai government scholarship, East China University of Science and Technology. They also offer presidential scholarship, but presidential scholarship is only for PhD. So CSE scholarship is for master and PhD students, and Shanghai government scholarship is for undergraduate, master and PhD students as well, but for presidential scholarship they offer only for PhD. So first we discuss CSE scholarship of ECUST University, and here is the detail. You can see authority, Chinese government scholarship, ECUST University, East China University of Science and Technology. Student category, master and PhD. CSE scholarship is only for master and PhD, 3000 RMB for masters and 3500 RMB for PhD. Just online apply, no need to send hard copies. 10th of April 2021 is the last date. All international students can apply. Age limit for master 35 and for PhD 40 years. IELTS is not mandatory. Without IELTS you can apply for this scholarship. So how to apply for this scholarship? So first you fill CSE online application form, and after filling CSE online, here is the link. You must fill CSE online application form. After filling CSE, here is the agency number. When you fill online application form, put this agency number in CSE scholarship online portal, CS China Scholarship Council online portal, studyinchina.com. Second, you fill university online application portal. Here is the detail, and how you fill this form, here is the detail as well. So after that you need to pay 600 RMB application fee. So don't worry about this. Try to get acceptance letter, and if you get acceptance letter, then you must pay a fee and apply for the scholarship. Okay, and after that result will be announced at the end of July. Just online apply, no need to send hard copies. And after filling both these application form, download both the application form, CSE application form and university application form, and send it to, and other documents and other required documents, send it to this email address. And you must put your email subject is your application number in ECUST system. When you fill online application form of university, ECUST University, a serial number, an application number will be generated on your online application portal and your online application form. So type here like this, okay, plus name of the scholarship which you applied, means if you apply for CSE scholarship in this university, then type plus as CGS scholarship, means China government scholarship, plus SGS scholarship. SGS means Shanghai government scholarship if you want to apply. And if you also apply for ECUST scholarship, presidential scholarship, then ECUST president. This is the format of email subject, okay, when you send your document to this email address. And the main thing is that you need to pay one application fee, means one time application fee. If you pay 600 RMB application fee for this university, you can apply for both this scholarship, for CGS scholarship, for SGS scholarship, means Shanghai government scholarship, and ECUST scholarship. ECUST is only for PhD. Same procedure here for ECUST scholarship. Okay, so email and email attachment should be in the application form in the ECUST application system, and corresponding scholarship forms one by one. Okay, attach your documents one by one. All these documents attach in your attachment file in email. So how and which documents they required? CSE online application form, ECUST online application form, CSE application form need to fill here, and ECUST application form need to fill here. Okay, and your highest degree, notarized copy, transcript notarized copy, and your study or research proposal minimum should be minimum 800 words, not less than 800 words. If you are study plan more than 800 words, then it's okay, not be less than 800 words. Okay, so two recommendation letter the main thing of this story is that applicants for graduate program must submit two recommendation letters signed by professor or associate professor, and the condition for recommendation letter is your recommendation letter should be issued after September 1st 2020. Means your recommendation letter not issued before 1st September 2020, means 2 or 3 months ago, from that period. Okay, means today is, I think, 5th of December 2020, and your recommendation letter should not be signed or not be should not be old than 1st September 2020, and contain the following information as well: title, plus institute, plus contact information and email and signature of your recommender. These information must include in your recommendation letters, both of your recommendation letters. Okay, other supporting documents, for example published paper and etc and award certificate if you have, then attach with other documents, and photocopy of your applicant passport information page, physical examination form, English proficiency certificate. IELTS is not mandatory. TOEFL, GRE, not mandatory. Acceptance letter if obtained. For those who have not received an acceptance letter from the supervisor, CIE will contact the appropriate school to arrange. Means acceptance letter is not mandatory, and also attach your fee receipt of 600 yuan which you submit. And the main story of these majors available under B category, they offer CSE scholarship to these majors. Okay, means the first in material science and engineering, chemistry and physics of polymers, and biomedical engineering, biotechnology and bioengineering, management science and engineering. You must check your majors, either it's they are available, your major available in English or not. So here is the detail, and click here to go to the official advertisement. And now we discuss Shanghai government scholarship, ECUST University Shanghai government scholarship. For applying Shanghai government scholarship, all the procedures is same, but for Shanghai government scholarship is also for undergraduate as well, and just online apply. 10th of April 2021 is the last date. All these things are same, but instead of CSE online application form, you must fill Shanghai government scholarship application form. Here is the link that how you click here to fill the Shanghai government scholarship online application form, and how you fill Shanghai government scholarship application form. Here is the detail. Okay, don't worry about this thing. Okay, and the required documents is same. Instead of CSE online application form, you must fill Shanghai government scholarship application form. You can see here the first item. If you want to apply for CSE scholarship, then fill CSE online application form, and if you want to Shanghai government apply for Shanghai government scholarship, then must fill Shanghai government scholarship application form. And if you want to apply for both these scholarships, means if you want to apply for CSE scholarship as well and for Shanghai government scholarship, then you must fill both these two application form. For if you want to apply for ECUST presidential scholarship, then I think they must have another application form for presidential scholarship. So we go to the official advertisement and check either they have any application form, ECUST application form for presidential scholarship as well or not. So you can see here is the detail. You can clearly mention. And the main thing I'll tell you, when you fill online application form, here's the university. If you want to apply for CSE scholarship and for Shanghai government scholarship, you must fill university online application portal. Okay, here is university online application portal. Okay, and here you can see click here to apply on university portal. Okay, now we can check either they provide any application form for no, they not provide any application form. And the main thing I want to tell you, that when you fill online application form, here's university online application form. When you fill when you select Chinese government scholarship option, there is no scholarship option in online application form. You need to select self-sponsored option, self-sponsored. Okay, here is clearly mentioned. You can see for online application form, you need to select all applicants. When you fill online application form, here is self-sponsored option for doctoral students and master students. Okay, it means if you don't worry about this, that scholarship option is not available in online portal. Your application must be considered when you fill CSE online application form and Shanghai government scholarship application form. Your application automatically considered for scholarship as a scholarship candidate, so don't worry about this. Okay, so for detail for ECUST presidential scholarship detail, here is follow the same procedure as the self-sponsored program. Please be sure be mark out I also like to apply for ECUST presidential scholarship in section V of the application material. Okay, in application V1 means fifth option, and which one is the fifth option which they provide here? So fifth checklist, and this you must mark your on your study plan. I think here is for physical examination form, and for here is the detail of where is the detail of about study plan. Because in study plan you must need to mention on here is the detail. Study plan research proposal must be minimum of 800 words. Okay, so don't worry about this. And in the fifth option, you must in the checklist option you must mention that you also apply for presidential scholarship as well. Okay, don't worry. Said that if you didn't want to apply for ECUST university scholarship, then leave it. Hope so you must get information about this scholarship, ECUST presidential scholarship, and here is, you can see, follow the same as self-sponsored. Please to be sure to the mark out. Also would like to apply for ECUST in section 5th application material, study plan or research proposal. Okay, in this option you need to mention that you also apply for ECUST presidential scholarship. So here is all the detail which you want to need, and also other scholarship like Jammu University and Southeast University, and all these information is given here. So Chinese, if you want to get acceptance letter and want to find a professor's email, click here to find professors' emails of different department of different universities. So visit our website cscguideofficial.com. Here is the 36 universities of economics and computer science universities, and all these other universities emails for acceptance letter is available here. So good luck and take care of yourself.